Hi family, you're all welcome back to my channel. Have you been having issues with breakage and you want to grow a longer, thicker, fuller hair? Then you need to watch this video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all how I use just 2 ingredients, just 2 herbs to create this wonderful hair growth recipe. Please do well to watch to the end of the video. If you are new here, my name is Mona and my channel is all about natural hair tips and tricks. I help you grow your hair fuller, thicker and longer. So without further ado, let's get started. But do not forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. So today, the first ingredient on the list is our rosemary herbs. Rosemary works in a variety of ways for our hair. Rosemary helps to enhance hair growth. Research has also shown that rosemary has the ability to thicken your hair significantly. So rosemary is very powerful. And aside that too, a research was made such that rosemary even acts, if not better than minoxidil, without any damage or consequences to your scalp. Then the next herbs we are using is our clove. The benefits of cloves cannot be overemphasized. Clove promotes hair growth and it also reduces hair fall. Clove also helps to solve the problem of hair thinning. It keeps the scalp fresh and reduces scalp infection. Clove also provides a cooling sensation and keeps your scalp hair fresh and soothing. So now to make this amazing recipe, our clove and rosemary hair spritz, what you need is either a calibrated glass jar or any container of choice. So now I'm going to be measuring 2 tablespoonfuls of our rosemary herbs. 2 tablespoonfuls is what I'm measuring. You can measure as much as you can. It all depends on the length of your hair and also how long you want the spray to last. Then I'm going to be measuring just 1 tablespoonful of our clove. Just 1 tablespoonful of clove, like so. So I've measured my 2 amazing herbs, rosemary and clove. So rosemary and clove, they are both beneficial for hair growth. So after doing that, the next thing I went ahead to add my hot water. So I added hot water now to our clove and rosemary mixture to create this amazing hair growth recipe, rosemary and clove for hair growth recipe. So now you see that the water is looking very clear. Next step now is for me to cover it now, like so. I'm going to cover it and then I'll allow it to steep for I allowed mine to steep for 3 good days. You can do 24 hours, but do not do anything less than 8 hours. So you can see the color, it has really infused because I left it for 3 good days because I want it to be more potent than ever. So I've gotten my rosemary and clove hair growth recipe. Now the next step is for us to sieve our spirits now. We are going to be sieving it now. So I'm sieving it. Clove is very beneficial. Clove contains this compound called eugenol. Eugenol is found in clove. What does eugenol actually do? The eugenol found in clove helps to promote hair growth when applied to the roots of your hair. It can also repair, strengthen, and also add a healthy shine to the hair shaft when applied regularly. So what matters now is what? Consistency. If you're consistent with this recipe, oh my goodness, you would definitely see growth. So now I'm going to be adding some essential oil now. The first essential oil I'll be adding is our peppermint essential oil. So peppermint essential oil helps to promote hair growth. It also combats dry scalp and also dandruff. And aside that, one thing I love about peppermint essential oil is that it helps to balance your scalp pH level, which is very important. You need to balance your pH. It's actually between 4.5 to 5.5. So peppermint essential oil helps you to do that. So the next essential oil is our eucalyptus essential oil. One amazing benefit of eucalyptus is that it treats hair lice. It also relieves itchy scalp, promotes hair growth, improves hair health, and also stimulates hair follicles. I also went ahead to still add my rosemary essential oil. Like I said earlier, rosemary essential oil has proved to be, if not even better than minoxidil. And rosemary helps to stimulate blood flow to the scalp, which in turn increase hair growth and aside that thicken your hair strands. So rosemary is a very powerful herb or essential oil you need to use for almost all your recipe. If you know me, I'm a lover of rosemary. So I'm gonna mix everything now together, and then I'll be putting it now into my applicator bottle so we can get set for application. So you can use any applicator bottle of choice. So this is the one I have handy. So I've put all my recipe now, my spritz, my rosemary and clove hair growth recipe. I've put it now like so. Please shake very well before use. This recipe, I've actually tried it before shooting this video. I've used it for a while and it has really helped me with my edges. I'm going to link a video of how bad my edges was before now, but this has helped me, and it has also helped me strengthen my strands and thicken my hair. Though I had my hair cut a few months ago, I shaved off some, I had my hair cut shorter, but with the consistent use of this rosemary and clove has really helped me see notable difference and growth. So guys, what I did now was I left my hair in a bun and the fringe in front because of work things. So but anyways, I'll still be applying this on my hair. So please let me know in the comment section if you ever tried using rosemary. Of course, I know almost everybody is talking about clove, but have you ever tried mixing rosemary and clove together to form this powerful, amazing hair growth recipe? Please do well to try it. Let me know in the comment section if you've tried both recipes. Please leave a comment in this comment section and do well to support me by liking this video so that YouTube can help push this video to other viewers who also like to learn more on how to grow their hair fuller, thicker and longer. So what I did now, I applied this on my scalp. This should be used not only on your hair strands but basically on the scalp. It is a scalp treatment. This rosemary and clove hair growth spritz or leave-in is a scalp treatment. So please apply it on your scalp. Apply it on your scalp thoroughly and massage it and leave it. You don't need to wash it off. This is not a wash off recipe. No. Leave it on your strand. So just two ingredients. Just these two ingredients will grow your hair amazingly well. So now it also helps to detangle the hair too as well. So I applied it on all my hair, then massage it thoroughly. Massage it very well on your scalp. Massage it very well on your scalp. And apply it on every other strands of your hair now like so. So always do well to try this recipe. And also, I want to find out your thoughts on the use of essential oils. Whenever you make your own spritz, do you just use it directly or you prefer adding essential oils to it? Let me also know in the comment section too below. So I went ahead to apply. Now I'll be sealing this mixture by using my oil. So I applied oil now at the tip, on the tip of my strands. I applied oil and then twisted my hair back. So there's something you need to know about clove. Clove is drying. Clove dries out your hair. So if you are using clove, be very careful that you must seal it up. You must seal it up. So it's either you use an oil or you use a thick butter. Concentrate mainly on the tip of your hair or the ends of your hair because they are the oldest part. So now this is the tip I said I was going to share with you to retain length. You see what I did at the end? I did a bantu knot at the end. So I did not just twist and left my ends like that rubbing on my neck and on my clothes, but I did a bantu knot the tip of your hair. So this tip has really helped me. This method or technique has really helped me a lot to retain length. So please try this technique and also let me know in the comment section too as well. If you've tried it or if you're going to try it, let me know. But it has helped me greatly. So guys, I thank you all so much for your love and support. Please continue to support me. Share this video with your friends and family. Please do well to like this video and leave a comment in the comment section. So in the next video, I will be sharing more recipe and also more tips on how to help you on how you can grow your hair longer, thicker and fuller. Do not forget to support me also on Instagram. Follow me at AfroLiciousMuna on Instagram. Thank you all so much for watching my videos. See you next time. Bye.